Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a note using the notes application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application notes. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go all the way down to the dock. Before we do that, in the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how to locate the notes application. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Notes. Let's just search for that. Open up the application. As you can see, it already creates a note for you when you, let's say, access the application for the first time. We'll just right click to delete. And to now create a brand new note, right click within this pane and new note. And so we can now start typing our notes if we wish to. So we can now quit notes. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.